Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to remove the first character from text in Excel using a simple formula. First, make sure your text is in a column. For example, assume the text is in cell A2. Now, click the cell where you want the cleaned result. For example, click cell B2. Type equals MID open parenthesis. Click cell A2. Type comma 2 comma LEN open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis. Close the final parenthesis. Press enter. Excel removes the first character and keeps the rest of the text. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.